You think space is silent? Listen to this. This is the real sound of a black hole 250 million light years away. And here's what will absolutely blow your mind. The frequency is so deep that one complete sound wave takes 10 million years to finish. Think about that. This cosmic hum started playing before humans walked on Earth, and it's still singing right now. But here's the thing. This isn't just cosmic noise. This sound is literally solving one of astronomy's biggest mysteries. For over 20 years, scientists were stumped. Why do galaxy clusters stay so hot instead of cooling down? If they cooled, trillions of new stars would form, but they don't. Why? The answer? The black hole is using sound waves to heat the entire cluster. The pressure waves from the black hole ripple outward, traveling hundreds of thousands of light years, and they don't escape. They dissipate energy throughout the gas. It's the universe's ultimate thermostat.